Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with iMovie for creating cinematic trailers, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start creating cinematic trailers in iMovie, open the application on your device. Upon launching iMovie, you'll be greeted with the main screen. Look for the Create New button, usually located in the center of the screen. Click on Create New to access the project options. Select Trailer from the list of available project types. You will now see a selection of trailer templates to choose from. Browse through the templates to find one that fits your vision. Once you've chosen a template, click on it to open the trailer editor. The trailer editor will display various sections where you can input your content. Begin by naming your trailer project in the designated field at the top. Next, you'll see placeholders for video clips and photos in the storyboard section. Drag and drop your video clips into the storyboard where indicated. You can adjust the duration of each clip by clicking and dragging the edges. To add text, click on the text placeholders in the storyboard. Replace the sample text with your own by typing directly in the text boxes. Take note of the style options available at the top for customizing the text appearance. For additional media, click on the Media tab to access your library. Import any extra video clips or images you wish to include in your trailer. You can enhance your project by adding music from the provided library or your own. To do this, navigate to the Audio tab and browse through the available soundtracks. Select a track that suits the mood of your trailer and drag it onto the timeline. Make sure to adjust the audio levels for a balanced sound experience. Review your project by clicking the play button to see how the elements come together. If you need to make adjustments, tweak the timing of clips and text as necessary. Once you're satisfied with your trailer, click on the Share button in the upper right corner. Choose your desired export option to save or share your cinematic trailer. With these simple steps, you're ready to create stunning cinematic trailers using iMovie. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.